How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas with a Christmas hat, okay? It's going to be simple, completely easy, and for beginners. Let's get started, okay? Alright, let's get started. First thing I do is I'm going to... one thing is, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. The video is only about 8 minutes, so it's really short video. Stay all the way to the very end, but hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw about Christmas or Halloween. The idea is that's the whole channel. It's a seasonal channel, so next year, when Christmas or Halloween starts rolling around, you're gonna start seeing, these cool tutorials of art on your feed. So that's kind of the idea of doing that. So hit the subscribe, bell notification, and it helps the channel out, of course. Let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and curve up for the nose area. Gonna go over here, round on the top here for the top of the head. Ball at the end of the nose. And I'm going to pull down underneath for the bottom part of him. Curve underneath. Smile. I'm going to draw, like now, the bottom part of the open mouth. So I'm going to draw a line out. Down a bit. And it's going to pull back. I'm going to go over here and find the hat on him now. So right here, zigzag up a little bit. Over here, zigzag up a little bit over here. Zigzag across. Dot right there filled in for the eye. One thing I forgot to go over here and draw the inside of the mouth. See that? There's a line right there for the inside of the mouth. And I'm going to fill that in as well. I'm going to go over here to the top. Kind of like a S curve for the top of the hat. Curve for the bottom here. And a ball at the end of the hat here. S curve. Down up. For one of his ears. Go over here on the other side. Same thing, bit of an S curve, more wavy for the far side ear. Throw a line down. Curve over here on the neck. He has like it tied, right? And let's go down into his body. Go down here for a little bit of the cloth. Out. Right here. Out. Up, curve in, right? Because it's basically a blanket. Go over here from the back. Another S curve. Don't worry about kind of if it has to be exact or not. Don't worry about it. It's a blanket. He's basically a blanket. So pulling in, make this edge a little wavy, and then it pulls down here. Line, line, line here for the crinkling around the neck. Right? There's got to be a little bit of crinkling there as it's tied. And I'll draw a line over here to show the fold of that blanket. The very end of his nose is like a pumpkin, so it's going to have a little face on it. So I'm just literally going to draw 3 dots or 3 slashes, as much as I can get in there. That's as much as I can get in. My marker's about to die. I'm going to have to buy a new marker. Okay. All right. And let's get into a little bit of color. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. You don't have to put color if you don't want, but because he's pretty much white. But I just want to color in that Christmas hat. I'm gonna actually put in with a Prismacolor marker. You can use a crayon. You can use a colored pencil. Anything you want is fine. I just like the marker because it's really quick to demonstrate. And I'm just gonna go. If you're using a marker and you only have Crayola, go for it. You know, like this brand right here, go for it. I like Prismacolor because Prismacolor, it won't smear if I touch the black marker. So that's kind of what I like about it. It really doesn't smear, and I love that. There you go, down there. Go over and let's get some orange for the end of his nose. There's a little bit of orange over here. It's like a dark orange I got, but it still works. And also what I like doing is I like throwing a blue, like a light blue. I think this is kind of purple though. Yeah. Let me grab a different light blue. 1 second. And then so the light blue is for white surfaces. And so the white surfaces tend to look better if you edge them out with blue. So right here, I'm gonna throw just along the edge. See, like that blue. I'm gonna throw it under here as well, so it looks like a little bit of a shadow. And I'm just gonna outline. You can outline everything blue like this. Every edge of this, or you can just outline the bottom ones, the ones that are touching the bottom, right? Because usually the sunlight comes from above. But it makes him look a little more ghostly as well, because I know he's see-through in the Night Before Christmas. And I guess I am going to do it everywhere along the edge. But if you like this, like I said, hit the subscribe. If this was easy enough, hit the subscribe. Hit the like. Subscribe would be great too. But hit the like. It helps the channel out. It helps the channel growth. I might put a line right here as well to make it look. There you go. I like that. One more. But hit the like. And it really helps the channel grow when you do that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you soon, okay?